Hello fashion lovers and welcome to the Fashion Den Stylista Moda. So fashion lovers, today we are going to learn about the gather and its family skirt, like gathered skirt, pleated skirt, the novelty gathered, the layered, the yoked. So these kind of skirts we are learning in today's series. So we'll start the gather skirt, which is the simplest one. Scale we are using 1 inch is equal to 8 inches. Required measurements, there are two measurements that will be requiring, as all round waist is 26 inches and skirt length is 25 inches. Though we have explained it so many times, but again I am explaining it because it's a very important family of the skirts which will be using very commonly, and will be using it in other garments also. This technique we can use in other garments also, so that's why we are using this technique in this way. So let's start with the gathered skirt. For that we require to take a block ABCD. Here AB is equal to 24 inches. Why 24 inches? Simple, skirt length minus 1 inch for the belt, right? So this we have to take. Then we'll take the measurement of C, this C. Here AC is equal to 26 inches, that means waist length, sorry, all round waist, right? In the same way we'll create the block. That's it, and this is point D. So AB is equal to CD and AC is equal to BD. The method we are using, we are not keeping this line on fold. Nothing is on fold, so that I am not denoting anything on fold. And this we require to cut. One is for the front and one is for the back. And in general, either this may be the grain line, but in generally we take the grain line of skirt this in general, because in that way we'll get a good length whatever we require. If we require more gathers, so we can get the good length. So some people are using this. Never use this uh, while using the skirt. Try to use this grain line for the skirt, right? So this is the gathered skirt. Now next is pleated skirt. Here you have a, in gathered skirt you have an option that you can increase or decrease this length, this particular AC, but in pleated skirt it is compulsory to take is 1.5 time of the waist. Let's see how we can do this. Line AB, I am taking it as A B is equal to 24 inches. Same reason. Here line AC is a perpendicular to point A and it is 1.5 time of this right? That means 39 inches. It was 26, now 39. This is AC. AC is equal to 39 inch. That means 1.5 of the all round waist. That means 26 multiplied by 1.5 is equal to 39 inches, right? In the same way, here we have to mark a point D, that is of 39 inches. And D, the grain to cut. Right? So all the times when you create the pleats, so it require 3 times of the actual measurement. It requires 3 times of the actual measurement. That means this, when we'll fold, so it will be 1 in that way. 3, and it will be folded in 3 ways. So in any pleat, it is required 1.5 time or 3 times of the actual measurement. 39 inches at the front, that means we will consume it on 13 inches. 13 multiplied by 3 is 39, and at the back also it will be like that. Nothing is on fold, same as we have done earlier. Simple. Now we'll create another variation, that is layered skirt. All the things are same. I'll be using the same measurement, I'll be using the same scale, right? Now what we'll do, here we are making it for 3 layers. Let me mark it, 3, layers. So what we'll do, we'll create the same thing. First layer would be ABCD, sorry, I created it with pencil, will not be visible in camera. Let me overlay it. A, B, C, D. Here AB is equal to 8 inches. That means 1/3 of this, because we are making 3 layers, so it would be 1/3 of this. 1/3 of skirt length minus 1 inch, right? Again we'll create a block, same grain line this to cut. For the second layer, again we'll create EFGH, EFGH. AC will be same. AC will be 26 inches. Again we'll create a block. I'm making it roughly. EFGH, where EF, you have to take care of this. What it would be? It would be 16 inches. That means 2 by 3 of skirt length minus 1. EG 26 inches, same. Again we'll take a point, again we'll take a block. IJ. Here IJ is equal to 26 inches, that is skirt length minus 1, right? And KL, IK is equal to, this is 24 inches, sorry. IK is equal to 26 inches, just like this, right? So this is the layered skirt. For that you required 6 pieces of skirt and 1 piece of belt, right? So this is the layered skirt. Now we'll start with the next one. The next one is the tied skirt, TIERED. Or you can say this is novelty gathered. In this we have 3 tires attached to each other in this way. Right? So first we will making the first tire, which is named as ABCD. A, B, C, D. Here AB is equal to 8 inches. That means 1 by 3 of skirt length minus 1 inch, as we have done here in the layered skirt. Here we were always this length was constant and this was increasing and decreasing. Here this length would be the constant and this would be increasing and decreasing. Then AC is equal to 26 inches. That means all round waist. The grain to cut. Right? Now for the second tire, it would be again a block. E, F, G, H. EF is equal to 8 inches and EG is equal to double of AC, 2 into AC or 2 into all round waist, that is 52 inches, right? Grain to cut. Again we'll do the same process. We'll make a block. If you are planning to make it a pleated one, then you have to make it 3 times instead of 2. It would be 3 into AC, right? So I, J, K, L. I'll write here IJ 8 inches and IK is equal to 2 into EG, or you can say 4 into AC, or you can say 4 into all round waist, 104 inches. This is the grain and you need to cut of this, right? So these 4 skirts we have done with. Now we'll do with the next one, that is the yoked skirt. Yoked skirt is little bit different from all these 2 designs. For yoked skirt we have to trace the pattern, or we have to trace the stencil of front and back skirt block, basic skirt block. If you have not seen the first day video of skirts, you go through the video and you will come to know about the process of making basic skirt block. Only the upper portion I have traced with. You can see I have traced with the upper portion, right? Now we'll create the yoke. What I'll do, I'll just mark a point of 7 inches, that is the hip level, right? And here this is A and this is B. AB is equal to 7 inches, that is hip level, minus 1 inch for belt, right? I'll mark this point as C, and now we'll mark a point D where CD is equal to 2 inches. This is constant, and I will just join these 2 lines. Now this portion would be the yoke. Shape may be any. I have taken a simple sweatheart yoke. This, or you can change the shape if you want to. This would be the front yoke. This is fold, right? Now what we'll do, we'll make the skirt. For skirt, first I'll take a block. This is OP. Here OP is equal to 19 inches, that means skirt length minus 1 inch minus this 5 inches. Where it come from 5 inches? 7 inches minus 2, right? So this would be the thing, and this line is on fold. right? Now I'll take the point C, this is the hip level, that is 9.5 inches or 9 inches. So what I'll do, the all round hip is 36 inches, so I have to attach this here with the help of gathers. So 36, I will take here half of the 36, that is 19 inches. Q, here OQ is equal to 2 into BC, double of this. If you will measure this, this is 9.5 or 9, so here I am taking 18 or 19 inches, right? So again I'll do just here also I'll, and we just have to join this. This is the skirt portion, right? Now what we'll do, we have to give this shape to this so that it can be fit to this. So what I'll do, I'll take 2 inches O dash, O to O dash is equal to 2 inches is equal to the CD, but we have taken CD, we will take the shape here also, and we just have to join this. And then on later stages we can give the shape to this portion so that it can fit to right the grain to cut. Depends ki at back, but we are going to front, one cut for the front. If we are giving the different shape to the back yoke, so we can take the same shape at the back also, right? So this is for the yoke skirt. So this is all about today's skirts. In next video we'll be meeting with the last content of skirts drafting, that is some complicated skirts we have with us, just like the cowl skirt, the cascade skirt, or that kind of bit hi-fi designing skirts. So till then, bye bye, and thank you for watching this video, friends.